Hi, my name is Jeff Fifey. I'll be showing you how to remove and replace a fuel pump on a Lincoln Continental. Counterclockwise, clockwise to loosen. Move your bolt, set it to the side, move your strap down out of the way. Okay. With your left hand, hold your one side of the tank, take your right hand, and we'll do the same for the other strap on the other side. Okay, after you get the bolt loose, put it to the side, push your strap out of the way. Okay, now we're ready to lower our gas tank down. Okay, in some cases you may have to use a jack stand, but in this case we won't need it. The gas has been emptied out of the tank already. Okay, so once you get your bands loosened and out of the way, drop the tank down. You'll need to disconnect your power wires from the fuel pump itself. Then also there is two connections that the gas that feeds out of the pump itself. We want to disconnect those two connections also.